Welcome to my new YouTube channel. I am Atreyee. In this channel, I will discuss about makeup and makeup oriented things and reviews makeup kits and obviously lifestyle. So not wasting time, let's catching up today's topic.
Today I am showing you super easy no foundation makeup look at just 5 minutes. First I am started with aloe vera moisturizer as a primer. It helps your makeup last and longer. Just little bit on your finger and put it on your face. It makes your skin softer and smoother. Then I am going to apply Pond's BB cream with SPF 30 PA++. It helps to cover your dark spots, blemishes and redness. For the better result, I will take BB and little bit of face powder and mix it well. Then I apply all over my face and I use Pune Store flat foundation brush to blend it. Then I am going to use MAC Professional Concealer palette and the concealer brush. I am using the dark shade. It contour my face. I am applying a little bit of cheeks, my forehead and my nose and blended it. The brows, I am using Shivana eyebrow kit. It helps my brows are longer and more than thicker. And for the eyes, I use Shivana brown eyeshadow palette. I like to wear matte shadows using a soft brown shade and take a fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend outer corner and all over the crease. Take a flat brush and use the same shade. I am applying really close up my under eye. Just give the eye some definitions. I am using the same flat brush for apply the lighter eyeshadow like this. Then put on my eyelid and the inner corners. Now I am going to apply shimmer on my cheekbones, chin and my nose. Make the lips more bigger by using lip pencil. That's the same color of my lipstick. The natural contour of my lips to create a crisp outline. The lipstick I am using Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lip Color. This is beautiful nude shade and it's long wearing. At last I am applying a coat of mascara to make long and thick lashes. That was my first video, friend. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please give thumbs up and subscribe the channel.